Meaning of fanaticism.
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 Fanaticism. Fanaticism refers to an extreme and often uncritical devotion or zeal towards a particular belief, idea, or cause. This can manifest in behaviors such as intolerance towards differing opinions, a willingness to engage in extreme or violent actions, and a disregard for rational thought and evidence. The results of fanaticism can be devastating, causing harm to individuals and society as a whole. Examples of fanatical behavior can be seen in religious and political extremists, as well as in individuals who are unreasonably obsessed with a particular hobby or interest.